$8.
Eight? It's eight?
So, long story short, I was doing my exam and like I was about to leave the room because I was the only one. And like I was like, anyways, I have to go. I love your class, by the way.
You love it? You love it? Talaga
It's so embarrassing.
The audio on it is actually really good too.
Wala pa din. Nasabi niya na ako wala pa. Mama, kumain ka na ba?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you well.
What is that? I don't know what it is. So cute. Oh, they're so cute. This one's so cute. I like this one. Oh. Ako natin.
And then,
Guys, we're eating.
oh.
Okay, yeah. So can't really do much because everything is too heavy. Like I can't even lift 40 right now.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Never back down, never what? Never give up! Let's go!
Hi guys, I look like a mom right now. Is it cute? Look, is it not cute? Look at this one.
I assume.
Yeah, no.
Tiny?
Dalawa siya.
I bought two because I thought it's like the.
Really? Crunchy.
No, in general. Girl. What are these
Like this.
Alam ko English ang yun, palyansa.
Look at the century party. It's really like that, right? It's pinky. Ooh, wait, oh. I thought it was a medal. Make a heart. Make a heart. It's not my nail. My nail.
Vlogging me eating.
Send me your email.
What if we did it?
20%. You want to try it? I want to try it for funsies. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let me check it out.
It's okay. Don't jinx yourself.
What if I get electrocuted?
Oh, what does it say? You're cuddling.
These are her lucky lotto numbers.
11 is my lucky number though. So there you go. That's so cute. What do you have to say?
I'm cuddly, apparently.
I didn't know I was. That's so cute. So cute. I don't know, girl. I don't know. No one's in there though. This is scary. You scare me. Oh, girl, that's good. We got the goods and we're sitting down. Wait, my shoelace almost killed me. So good. I love strawberry all the time.
We have
Oh my gosh, wait. Okay. So I accidentally went on the wrong floor and I got so scared.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.